Hello YouTube. This is the unboxing of the Leatherman Surge that has been 24 karat gold plated by Texas tool crafters. I've been really excited about getting this. Nice box, nice packaging, very professional. Let's see what else. There it is. Texas Tool Crafters. They do some amazing things with their products, with the Leatherman products. So, it's a Surge. So exciting. Nice sheath that comes with it. Beautiful. And there it is. The Surge from Leatherman. So there's the knife. The interchangeable saw blade. Good size scissors. The knife again, and the serrated knife. And then open this up. You can really see, I mean, they just got that in there. So nice. It's a good contrast. So you have the needle nose, and then you have the regular pliers, and then you have the replaceable wire cutters, and then you also have the hard wire cutters. And then in here you have the bottle opener and the replaceable bits, which is awesome. How does this release? Any different? Right there. And you just click that release, and then these open up. This is an awl and a threader. Small standard screwdriver, and the flathead, the large screwdriver. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I am, and I'm gonna have to work on this, getting it loose and breaking it in. So I've heard that it takes about maybe a half an hour of working with it back and forth to break it in. So, alright, there you have it. Surge gold plated by Texas Tool Crafters. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Quick add-on. I wanted to make sure this was in the box still, so the little cliff notes on everything that this has and does. I mean, amazing what this thing does. And it also comes with a knife sharpener and a file. So you can pop that right on had to work with it a little bit to break it in. So once it does that snap, nope, that's the scissors right here. So you release this blade. You release the blade by moving this locking mechanism right here to an open position where you can easily pull this out and put this replacement blade in its place. Close that up. And it's all set. Beautiful. And it has the locking mechanism right there. Just push on that. And there it is. The Leatherman Surge. Modified from Texas Tool Crafters. Excellent company. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.